Okay, this is a socket fan light. Just bought it from Lowe's. Watched several videos on it. It says it does a pretty good job. There's the instructions. These are the blades. Like a little snap in. Can't get much easier than that. Extension. And here is the fan. Looks pretty small, but it's got a lot of power. Okay. Okay, here's the remote. Comes with a little holder you can mount somewhere. Extension. Goes onto there in case you got an inset recessed light. And here's the blades. I believe it measures like a little over 15 inches, something like that. And should have brought my cutter. This will work. Alright. One set of blades. And the other set of blades. And that's it for that. Dispose of that. Alright. This little thing's got grooves in it right there. And right there you just match it up. Push it on here, click. And repeat 3 more times. That's about all there is to it. Pretty simple. Alright. It is pretty small, I'd say, let's see, probably 15 inches, I'd say. But we will find out. Little trusty yardstick. Yep, about 15 and a half. That's about right. Alright. Remote. Pull the plastic out of it, and it should work. That's what they say. Alright, okay, it is all together and we are ready to screw it in the socket. So we'll go do that. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to put it in my garage. I'm going to try it here. Good thing is, if you don't like it, you can take it out, put it anywhere with a socket like this. I'm going to take this out of here. I like these lights. These are very nice. We're going to see what this does. How good it does. It's as easy as they say it is. Power is already onto this, so the light should come on, and there it goes. Alright. The light is already on. And it says it has 3 levels. So let's see what we got. 1. Off, 1, 2, 3. That's the brightest light. Okay, that's off. We'll do the fan now. That's the first speed. Oh, and it's blowing out pretty good air right now. And that's on low. That feels pretty good. And it's pretty quiet. I like it. And here's high. Buzzing pretty good. Pretty stable, not moving too much. I even got an adapter in there to plug in my cord. So it's on an adapter 2 and it's still pretty solid, not moving. We'll put a light on now. That's probably about what I had in there. Probably about the equivalent of this. I like it. I think I'll keep it. Thanks for watching.